What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to another episode of Free World Living. Let y'all know what we got going on today, man. We about to head over to Jackson, Georgia, and take a look at this Honda Shadow. I believe it's like a 2011 Honda Shadow Ace. Only got 8,000 miles on it. We're gonna slide over there, man. Right now we at the U-Haul, trying to get us a truck and an old trailer. You know, so today'll be our first day strapping down the bike, you know, making the purchase, bringing it back home, man. So y'all stay tuned. And if you haven't already, go ahead, like, share, and subscribe to your boy. All right, guys, so we are ready to go. We got our 10-foot van, got our motorcycle, trailer. Just doing a little walk around real quick, making sure everything, you know.
Make sure that the blinkers and stuff work.
Making sure everything work real quick. So far, so good. Couple little scuffs, the normal wear and tear. Trunk right up. Got us hitched up. We on. Just gonna do this. Check that, make sure that don't jump off. Make sure them tires are straight, you know. Hit the brake so I can see. Alright. Check the right side. Whoever had this boy been doing some mud bogging or something in these people's truck. I mean, golly. I don't see no major damage, man, so we should be good to go. Alright. That's the windshield. Alright, YouTube, so we all set. We getting ready to head to Jackson, Georgia. You know what I'm saying? Pick up this bike. Got our little 10-foot U-Haul trailer. Got the motorcycle trailer. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, y'all sit back and take this ride with us, man. Y'all, as you can see, we are somewhere in the country. Dirt roads.
She said, "Come on back."
And all this good stuff. You know, we gonna make it happen, man. We gonna make it happen. About to do it, man. We see the bike over there in the distance on the porch. You know, so.
Oh yeah, the bike is.
We gonna get ready to do this, man.
I'm excited because it's my bike. You know what I'm saying? So, just hold on. Hey, what's going on?
I don't know if we've had a year and a half, or whatever, okay?
Okay.
It's set up maybe, from what I understand, maybe 18 months before I got it.
Okay.
I had to go through the carburetor because they let
Right.
it sit and sit and
Right.
sit, and I did. And basically all I do is crank it up and let it run periodically, and I've never ridden the motorcycle.
Mr. Mart, this is my bike too.
Is it? Is it?
Yes, sir.
That's the truth.
Yes, sir.
And so I'll show you what I know about it and tell you what I know. And but I hate sometimes. I wish I could say, "Hey, I've been riding that motorcycle forever."
Right.
I don't know that.
Okay.
To the best of my knowledge, it's a great motorcycle.
Yes, sir.
But I don't know. But come on. This is her right here.
That's her.
And
It's definitely a pretty bike.
Take a look at it.
yeah, I've got the side cover off because I put a new battery in it.
Okay.
And I keep it charged that way.
Okay.
There's a fuse right there you may already know about. If you try to charge this battery and you hit it, if you reverse the polarity on it and you don't hook it, it'll blow that fuse. I just put a new one in and I stuck a spare down there, that green fuse.
Okay.
So if it happens when you're out on the road, you got a spare with you.
Okay, yeah.
Look, y'all. I love that bike.
That's a good looking motorcycle, man. It is. It really is.
Yeah, we both was a man, but she like cooler George. Yeah, oh man, I know, man. Yeah, oh, I love it.
There ain't many of these around.
No, man, look. We've been married for 8 years. We'll be 8 years this year. Been together for like 10 years, all together, man. That's the road, dog. No, I got some. Yeah, I got some. About 3 heavy duty men.
It looks good.
They do, man. Alright, YouTube, so we all loaded up. You know what I'm saying? Luckily, I had my own scraps and all that. Let's see. Thing on there, man. Ain't going nowhere. 2009 Honda Shadow Ace. Or Aero. Whichever one. Clean. Kind of like a candy apple red. You know what I'm saying? Only 10,000 miles on that guy. Can't see it right now, but it's on there. But yeah, that's it, man. It's our first purchase. Chrome bling-a-lingin'. We're gonna get to the house, man. Take it off the trailer, you know, crank it, let it run, ride around a little bit. Yeah, so y'all stay tuned, man. Free world. Just made the pickup. We headed back to the house, so we can unload this thing, you know, and really take a good look at it. You know, so far from what we seen, you know, when we was out there with the bike, it was actually nothing wrong with it. Nice paint job, everything. So we just excited to get it back to the house, unload this thing, and see what we got going on. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, so as y'all can see, we done made it home safe with the old shadow thing on there. You know what I'm saying? First time doing my little tie down scraps. That thing ain't went nowhere, so did something right. You know, so y'all just stay tuned, man. Getting ready to unload this thing so we can get a better look at it. So yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. We'll get some close-ups on it, let y'all see what's going on, some little slow motions, man. We will. There she go, coming around the corner, her new Honda Shadow. Clutch. Wife on her bike. You know what I'm saying? My dog going crazy. Yeah. Look at my dog. Looking good on that bike.